How to treat a burn or a scald in 6 easy steps. Hi, I'm Jamie for Survival. Did you know that in Australia, 50,000 people are admitted to hospital every year for burns? And most of those burn injuries occur at home. So today, we're going to take you through the simple steps that will help you effectively treat a burn or a scald in your home. Step 1, cool under running water. Immediately run the affected area under cool running water from a tap or a shower for 20 minutes. Cannot stress this enough, this is the most important step. And please never use ice on a burn. If any clothing is wet or steam was involved, remove it quickly and carefully, along with any watches, rings or jewelry. Hold the injured area under the stream of water to cool the burn and to help with any pain. And where possible, hold the injured area up, raised, to reduce any swelling. So if there's no running water available, hydrogel can be used and can be helpful, but cool running water is king. We can't stress this enough. Step 2, call emergency services if needed. How to tell if you're going to need to call emergency services? If the victim's burn or scald is larger than the palm of the victim's hand, including fingers, call emergency services immediately. Step 3, treat the victim for shock. If the victim is feeling faint or looking shocked, assist them to lie down. The aim is to get their legs elevated, and you can do this by using several pillows, a rolled up blanket, maybe a seat of a chair, whatever you can find to help get their legs up to boost circulation. Step 4, apply sterile dressing. After cooling the area for 20 minutes, you're going to apply sterile, non-adherent dressing from your first aid kit. Do not apply any creams. Now remember, you should never break any blisters or remove any peeled skin. Step 5, apply a light bandage. Grab a conforming cotton bandage and place it loosely over the top of the sterile dressing to keep it in place. Never use adhesive tape on the skin around the burn, as it can cause further tissue damage to the area. Keep checking the bandage to make sure that it's not too tight as the swelling occurs. Now, if you have no kit in your house, no dressing, no bandages, a common household item that can be really helpful to dress the burn, cling wrap. Now, just remember, don't wrap the cling wrap around horizontally, lengthways only. Step 6, monitor and reassure the victim. Continue to keep them as calm as possible. And if you haven't already, seek medical attention so that further treatment can be carried out if necessary. Some burns need special care, including chemical, electrical, lightning, or inhalation burns involving the throat or the mouth. For step-by-step instructions on managing any first aid situation, download Survival's iFirst Aid app today.